deafness, a vestibular disorder, and vision mo gumagalaw consistently, and meron din ng tinnitus. So for a while, hindi ko talaga nakayanan kumanta. Only because
So, eye, ear, nose, and eye.
ears and the vestibular disorder wherein you are consistently nahihilo, you as in dizzy, like dizzy, and gumagalaw yung vision. As in hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin yung condition namin. And then, we're partially deaf sa right ear. So, it was really a difficult time for me because, syempre naman, singer ako. And then, mahirap yung pandinig. I went through that phase wherein, should I say, nagkaroon ng depression? I don't know if I'm going to admit it. I don't know if it was actually depression nga yung naramdaman ko. Pero, mahirap i-describe na parang ayaw mo nang kumilos. Number one, ayaw mong kumilos, physically ayaw mo nang kumilos because the minute na gumalaw ka, nakakahilo talaga. Sa totoo lang. Number two, you don't want to socialize. You don't want to talk to people because yung hearing namin noon was parang feeling ko, should I use the word painful? Painful in a way because what we only hear was high frequency.
High frequency.
High frequency. Ang mga taong nadidinig namin na salita, yung mga tao na nagsasalita, lahat matinis, matalas, mataas. Yun ang pandinig namin mag-asawa. So imagine niyo, you're talking to a person with a bassy voice, low bassy voice, pero ganun pa rin ang pandinig mo sa kanya, parang Donald Duck.
Pero dito kasi, katulad yung correct. So, tapos dito may concert, meron. So, mas madalas na yung days namin dito mag-asawa. So, of course, I'm not complaining. Trabaho is trabaho.
Wait, so how did you adjust to that?
Ganyan.
Oo, di ba after the lockdown, hindi ba yung parang lahat ng mga, I noticed our icons, even the younger ones, they go back and forth. Oo, how did you adjust to that?
Parang nasanay na kami ganito. Parang there was even a time na talagang as in, laging aeroplano, nandito kami sa lugar na to, and then the next thing you know, nasa ibang lugar na kami. Parang nasanay na.
Hindi naman kayo tumatanda. Diba?
Thank you, Lord.
Yeah, but Miss Lani, how do you preserve yourself? Yan na, parang hindi ka natatanong sa ganun masyado. How do you preserve yourself? Nag-yoga ka ba? Nag-pilates ka ba? Kumakanta ka lang, nakakapagod kumanta.
Honestly, wala akong yoga. I don't know. Especially now that I really cannot move that much. Like, wala akong exercise. Thanks for asking me that. Siguro talagang gusto ko lang masaya. Malaking factor yun eh. You know, of course, why not? Dahil, malaki siyang tulong eh. Malaki siyang tulong.
Going back, Mr. Lani,